Welcome back. If you want to work smarter, save time, and master your data management skills, you are in the right place. All your school information in one smart Excel workbook. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to model a school database management system. A school database in Excel can be organized into multiple worksheets that work together to store and manage data and daily operations of a school, college, or educational institution. This can be used by an administrator to manage the entire system, a principal to monitor school operations, a teacher to manage classes attendance and grades, a student to view timetables, results, and notices, a parent to track attendance, performance, and fees, an accountant to manage fees and finances. The first step in designing a good database is defining entities. A database entity is a person, place, object, event, or concept about which data is stored in a database. Entities in the school database systems are a student, a teacher, a class, a course, attendance, an exam, notes, and fees. In Excel, an entity becomes a worksheet and its characteristics or attributes become columns. Attributes of a student's entity to manage students' information and details are student's ID, first name, last name, date of birth, email, phone, admission date, address. Attributes of a teacher's entity to maintain teacher's details and subjects are teacher's ID, first name, last name, phone, email, hire date, and department. Attributes of a course and class management entity are subject ID, subject's name, class allocation, department. The main relationships are: one student can have many subjects. One teacher can teach many classes. One class can have many subjects. So we'll add another entity to manage enrollments of students and teachers in subjects. Attributes of enrollment entity are academic year, term, student's ID, subject's ID, and teacher's ID. Attributes of an exam entity are exam ID, subject ID, exam date, grade, academic year, term, and maximum mark. The main relationships are: one exam can have many students, and one student can have many exams. So we'll add another entity to manage a student's result. And the attributes of results entity are student's ID, exam ID, and mark obtained. Attendance tracking attributes are attendance date, student ID, status. The notices and announcements attributes are note ID, student's ID, note date, teacher's ID, and comment. The fee management attributes are payment ID, student's ID, amount, due date, and status. The main relationships are: one student can have many attendance records, One student can have many fee records, and one student can have many notes records. And that's how you can design a school entity relationship diagram from scratch. We identified the main entities, defined their attributes, and established the relationships that form the foundation of a school database system. A well-designed ERD helps ensure data accuracy, reduces redundancy, and makes database development much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on databases, Excel, and data management. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.